Hi there, I'm Julia. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I regenerated my viral tweets using Circleboom Twitter. I had a few tweets that performed really well, and I wanted to bring that engagement back. So here's what I did. First, I went to Post Engagement Analytics. It displayed all my tweets with detailed metrics like impressions, likes, retweets, and more. Then, I sorted them by impressions to find the top performing ones. You can also apply filters to search by likes, retweets, or even bookmarks. After finding the tweet I wanted to revive, I clicked on the Rewrite with AI button. Circleboom's AI gave me a fresh versions of that post in seconds. Same idea, just rephrased and optimized. Once I had the new version, I could either post it immediately or schedule it using Circleboom's best time to post feature. Plus, I could also add it to my queue, reschedule it, or even set it to auto-retweet later on. This helped me boost my tweets' visibility without starting from scratch. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and follow for more smart Twitter tips. Happy Circlebooming!